Hey, what's up everyone? So if you're like me and you're looking for a matte screen protector for your Kia EV6, this is what I ended up doing to kind of make my own. So I didn't have paper that was long enough to stretch all the way across the screen, so I kind of stapled some together. Then I took a pen and I traced the border of the screen all the way across the paper. And then I took that paper and I placed it underneath the two screen protectors that I bought. So you can see here I got the two screen protectors, and the first thing I did was measure where the center was so that I could have the edge of the screen protectors set there, and then I traced my outline with a Sharpie on the outside edge all the way across so that I could then take the scissors and cut across the inside edge and not have the Sharpie. You want to make sure that you draw that line on side 2, because side 1 is what you'll be peeling off the back to stick to the screen. And these screen protectors are even big enough, if I mess one up I can redo it all again. And the kit I bought here came with a cleaning cloth, the dust sticker, and an application card. So after you get everything aligned and get all those air bubbles pushed out, I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll do until a company comes out with a matte screen protector for an EV6.